This video presentation is designed to help first-time users better understand how to assemble our boxes. Before we get started, I need to explain the tools that you'll be using. First, we have a clip remover tool. We've got our spring steel clips that hold the panels together. And then we have our crate panels. There's no need for nails, screws, or metal banding to hold our system in place. It's important to be able to identify the panels. This panel is an end panel, and you can tell because it has two dadoed edges on it. Those dadoed edges stand vertically and accept the side panels. This panel is a side panel. You can tell a side because there are no dadoed edges on the panels. The tops and bases both have full perimeter dados. Since there's not a pallet attached to this one, we know that it's a top, and that leaves a base. To get started with the assembly, we're going to start with an end panel. You'll grab two clips and an end panel. And the end panel, you want to rest on the dadoed edge of the pallet base. It's very important to square up the edge of the panel. And then you'll take a clip, insert it in the slot provided, and push it in place. Do the same on the next. You can see that we've attached a side panel, an end panel, to a base. The panel will stay in place. And we'll next move to the assembly of the side panel. The side panel we'll put in place again on the dado of the base panel and slide it into place so that it mates with your end panel. It's important here that we attach the side to the end and pull that panel up tight before we attach to the base. So if you pull those clips up, that'll pull the panel tight, then we can make an attachment to the base. Now we can attach our other end panel. Again, set the end panel on the base. Make sure that the vertical edges are aligned. And again, we want to attach end panel to the side panel. Once that's in place, clip to the base. Now we can attach our final side panel. Put the side to both ends. And then we can attach to the base. Now we're ready for the lid assembly. When you attach a lid, it's best to go ahead and slide it in place and let the dadoed edge seat into your side panels, and simply slide the panel forward until the panel is completely seated, and then we can attach the lid to the sides and ends with the remaining clip.